Welcome everyone to today's edition, the how-tos of hardwood, where we break down facts and fiction about this very versatile flooring option. Most of you probably already know that hardwood flooring is special. Whether it's original or fresh to install, hardwood is not only beautiful but also adds lots of value. But did you know that there are hardwood options for almost any space and budget, making it a great option for just about everyone? Now, how to choose? There are two main types of hardwood flooring, solid and engineered wood. Solid hardwood is construction of a single type of solid wood throughout. It can be purchased pre-finished or unfinished. Engineered hardwood usually comprises of two layers, a thin strip of solid wood called veneer fixed to a plywood or high-density fiberboard core. Though solid hardwood is classic and often found in historic homes, don't assume it's always the best choice over engineered wood products. Today's engineered products are more durable than ever and offer an affordable option for all types of spaces, including kitchens and basements. On the other hand, solid hardwood flooring is extremely versatile with dozens of species to choose from, each with different colors, textures, and finishes. One of the biggest advantages of solid hardwood is that it can be sanded and refinished over and over again, spanning many decades and style trends. It's a great option for anyone looking to lay new flooring next to their original wood, since both can be sanded and stained to match, creating a unified result that looks as if both were installed together. So, before you decide which type of hardwood is right for you, consider how you'll be using the space, your overall budget, and the overall look you're trying to achieve. Next one is how to install. Installation of your new hardwood floors can be accomplished in a variety of ways, all depending on the space, budget, and your needs. Whether you choose solid or engineered hardwood, planks will usually either be nailed, stapled, or glued to the subflooring. In some cases, engineered flooring can be clicked together on top of a subfloor, sometimes referred to as floating floor. From oak to walnut, hickory, and beyond, there are endless types of wood flooring, each offering something special. No matter what type you decide on, one thing is for sure: you're going to love the way it looks, feels, and adds value to your home. For more information and advice on which flooring product is right for you, talk to us. Email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.